Hello friends, and today I am here to discuss a question from transportation engineering which was asked in GATE 2004. Right? The question is from the topic super elevation, which is very important for GATE point of view. And the question is asked in 2004, which says, for a road with camber of 3% and design speed of 80 kilometers per hour, the minimum radius of the curve beyond which no super elevation is needed is dash. Right? So he's asking us to calculate the value of super elevation. He's asking us to calculate the value of radius beyond which we do not require any kind of super elevation. Right? And he's giving us some values. So what values he's giving us? He says camber equal to 3%. Then he says V, it is 80 kilometers per hour, and he is asking us to calculate the value of radius, saying that super elevation is 0. Fine. To calculate this radius, we have an expression, that is E plus F equal to V square divided by GR. So he says beyond which no super elevation is provided. So can I substitute the value of E as 0? Right? Can I substitute it? No, I cannot substitute E equal to 0 because he is giving me a value, that is camber. And we know that the minimum value of super elevation, it is always equal to camber. Right? Whether you provide super elevation or not, we will always provide the value of camber. Right? Camber is required to drain off the surface water. So that is a must, that is mandatory. And we know that the minimum value of super elevation is always equal to camber. So even if he is saying that beyond which no super elevation is provided, since he is mentioning the value of camber, we have to take this value into consideration. That means the E minimum, it is equal to camber, it is equal to 3% or 0.03. Right? So to calculate radius will be equal to V square by GR. Radius will be equal to V square divided by G into E plus F. Right? Since F value is not given, if it is not given, we know that the coefficient of lateral friction, it is equal to 0.15. Right? So R will be equal to V is 80, convert into meters per second square divided by 9.8 into E is minimum value 0.03 plus F is 0.15. Right? So when we solve this particular thing, the value of radius comes out to be 280 meters. So R value will be equal to 280 meters. Right? So a question asked in 2004 from transportation engineering. Thank you.